Hi guys, welcome back to Food Diaries. We are glad to be back here with JOHANAN, LYNGDOH, and at his very nice and picturesque outdoor location here at Umroi. What is this place called? Umroi?
Lumshatri.
Lumshatri, yes. And we've had some really good experience seeing slow food cooking using the bamboo. Kabang ong KHASI ka tendong seed. Nitangsem, right. And we have a lot more in store for you in this episode, and we do hope that you will enjoy seeing what Joe will showcase about the Reboy way of cooking using the bamboo. Okay? Joe, what is it next that you will show us?
So this point, kanika por ni le ka kanika dok masithat. Ta kini ki jingber jing yugen.
Tiki kini uli uday
jajo dieng.
Okay.
Antau dia jajo sentiu.
So this is jajo dieng, jajo sentiu. Uni pada fila ale akum no uni jajo sentiu.
Jajo sentiu te mar ba mentat kapor kamdei sho por jajo sentiu hi. Te la bo tu te la terkong. Te ni padam ino. Te la long tu kan. Dei bendong.
Isu padam me hapo
klik itu. Long shop and shed kan. Te uni
pada ki jingkle pada.
Angni anu jayo dan sermet don ing don sing kemo don lola sing arjat
tu sing ki pi penon kam lai jat ki sing ni arjat we sing kasi
sing kemo ong
tu dai ke sing kemo
sing ba pada
but sing ba alright ti sing pila ai sing kemo ba sing ba nang ta pada pila ai somken
somken anta ajur anta pada ujur pun balance no kini kijing sate sat thanra dadi ba ai bun somken makanaru penungyo flavor jing sat tambah kanum terha barai pe
okay
sat kan ujur le utri kata kadur kan te ai piat ni ai sun kita ki ingredients ki ba ngiyo apo kali beri nutrep ta ba isnaing ta.
So we're going to see some lovely cooking from Joe again using the smoked meat kanika jongka domasi, which has already been smoked, and these are ingredients that is only locally available in our region, which is the jajo. I really doubt if we do find these outside, but I don't really know a different name to these other than what we call here as jajo dieng and jajo sentiu, and what Joe has already pounded together two types of ginger, the local ginger, and another one will be the ginger jayur, right. Te Joe nginya le akum no kini
nginya kle lang na ne.
Okay. The very nice, really good thing about our the cooking that you're doing is that we're using just very fresh and locally available ingredients.
Pada kle shom tu kan. Shop ba te jo no ma.
Ti unia pada otherwise also if you don't come ban shet ni pila mashbam turu ni.
Don't ki beri baba mo turu. Tamau bang da shet ni. Uni pila ban shet bu kutung ru, pila ban shet bu tit ru. Hi hu tit dun tit lenra. Dan ki bun jat tit ki pam sini pila ban shet lam ni bu kutung. Entah ki apa nangkam sini kan. Te uni umi tang por kini ki por ba por slap ni.
Kadang dai ka por ban mi mo. Tu sentiu jajo sentiu pada.
Sentiu tang por talang hadu Januari. Su panai mengkong panai baar tu te hadi udono tu pisara biang ki te pitung ngarung sini.
So it's lucky kan ba fidang don dia mo ban panon kam.
Masih pelang lupa kini. Amaran ki brio bakwa tama. Kumngi badan kum kanika ying basam ni ba ai bam ki brio te habbo bet. To la klela tu bar khan.
So there's been no mixer grinder involved today. There's been no gas cooking involved today. It's just the fireplace and the bamboo. But uni ubang yong thlong in KHASI.
So tna ding ping ne.
Uni udo ding ping. Something to learn about.
The fish. Snap perlok jangan.
So this is wonderful, and we shall see how wonderful this is after it gets cooked. Mentafin pendap pada tu ni. You know, kani kada ke iba phile ban pensa. You know, kata kom bam, kom im, ni jongi. Apart from this, but I've heard that you're into music as well.
Yes, I'm very much into music. The music director jonga ka choir kateng Quavers Chamber Choir.
Quaver Chambers Choir.
Quavers Chamber Choir.
Oh, that's very nice. Kadan chini?
Ngi dan chini, ngi besang ni. Bagi dan ki artis ki ba na Mumbai. Ti gidan ki ba puli po Delhi, gidan ba puli po Calcutta tingi i bes pada po Mumbai. Sa lang Mumbai barokan.
Mentafin set biang itu, and then this goes back to the fireplace.
Yes.
Okay.
Set kani. Let me irik Islam.
Waste nothing, ne?
Yes. Kani Islam babang de.
Kidi kisla.
Lado kani.
Kisla lado ben mo.
Tenang ni review ay de ka flavor.
Ne?
Kajik sma jong kani review yo kala rung lang ne po. Plan ay hira namar pa ay bulay tama nun kamnon.
Yes, very true. And so for those of you who are tuned in today, so we are at Umroi Lom Shatri, right? At Joe's very beautiful outdoors here, where he calls it the Dong Musa. And people come to get a taste of the lovely Ribhoi way of cooking using the bamboo shoot, or the bamboo, sorry.
Yes.
Jo kani ka jingshat fin shat manta nei kuma phila ong tu nei yong nei that's black till over there pi khot we ka jingta phin ke de ke like
kani do nyang long siet yi
dos nyang long siet ne ti kani ka long siet ke de ka tu ka ba long locally available ha po market ne
kani ka lung he kani ka ma he ka tu kan ido ribri ba ong lung do ma kam dei hera
ti ke kata ka lung do pa de
kalung do kadi tang lada phi that ya ka do ta kan phi that ya ka do nyang tu lor ngin anto pade phi that ka lung sit ya po ti ka tu ka chau ka tu ka khlen jong ka do nyang te to ka lung am to tu kan skot lung do
okay
ti pon ki brio ki bakla
okay ti so this is a locally available bamboo shoot nei te kata ka don ta ka lungdo ro ka badang yos ngong ta first time I usually bam na kanila ni the dried bamboo shoot ko to ka ba you know ka I think derived its name from kada ka to ka khlen nei ka ja ka do ka ki ong ka lungdo so well all the ingredients are here and the same will all go back into the bamboo nei
yes
to jo.
So this will be cooked differently. Namar ba kani hap shet chokalung. Ish pang. Namar hap ni ish kalung.
Okay.
Hap ni kalung tinga tap pada soya ni JINGBAM. Tu tap ni yong tu tap kado pada. Namar kalung it's very important ya kalung ba fiam pon ba pada.
Yeah.
Da fiam pon ba kalung am ka kamlong ra. So om ta kan ngate la yo ji kai om ta ni me im ta ti. So ban shet kalung di ban pon ba so.
Okay, so all these will not go in together. Firstly, get this bamboo shoot cooked first. Then you add these ingredients, and last goes the meat. Namarkani kiladab.
Smoke.
Smoke. Yes. Yeah. So it's kind of 90% cooked. So tong ini thap kini.
Thap ma tong kalung ma.
Yes. Tong ini. Let me on this. So the only thing
nei. Shet apo kalung hi bala apo kasit.
Oh, kalung set ini shet apo set. Nakaway ka ba nga ayu because there's scarcity of finding good bamboos also. Nay takada kalong ka jing diyan. Because you have to find a bamboo which is of the right proportion in terms of thickness. Nay ka day kanum day ka ba bentan. Yeah. And the fact that ngimla ban reuse pa din eh. Sin ba feel use ko ka dish you have to discard the bamboo, right? To nang takin.
To matangin niya.
All right. So both we have one of the bamboos filled only with bamboo shoot smoked beef, and this one has the
smoked pork.
Smoked pork, no? And this one has the beef. So now can you keep in sang no antay ne?
Sang no ne. Kanita kalabyang kanita ini aptang man ini ka
isyo kalung
kalung lai kalung tinggal along ban tap kayu sin tap patil along ban iru tang sipang kam slam ra kani kum baslang kawang kan kawang pada te kapher pi kawang pi hap shat bahan mar ba kabut.
So if you can see even the fire pinhe kading ban long
so sipang to ngin pinhe no sipang
okay
dakala asyong kani barok khat ken kalong temperature barok khat ka even de
okay all right
ta shu ai kan san ta khrit ta kani ting ngani sin shalon kala paja
yes
tikin ing tang thi
okay kani kan yo lu tu ka temperature kan long even throughout the bamboo
long le si we priu ti kila ban shet pher ken ngate so ka jing so junga ken le om ta ken bakan ilang ken barok khat.
So we shall wait. This other bamboo has the bamboo shoot being cooked in the bamboo, and this other one has the pork. All right, and this will take a little while, and after that we shall check on the bamboo shoot and add the other ingredients.
Yes,
so with this la kala hamlong kani kalung fin add ka shop de.
Jadi pa nakalung in tap kado. Tap kado te hadin si arpusukan tu. Jadi pang tu sekentin kuai. Tingin tap so tu jingber gini jingber. Jingber gini shermit.
And the very interesting thing is that I've noticed bak kamdan pniang mo.
Ramdam pniang ra.
Okay. Ta kamot ka da kami hina ka tu ka klen jong ka do.
Kami nak tu ben. Apa nun kami nak tu na marba. La adon ka tu ka klen mentan ais kum pniang te. Kolong unhealthy.
Right.
Kamu klan kami beriuru. Jangan ka stu atakar kom kan. Te kutai ka set kan.
Joe, I think let's check on the bamboo shoot. Kala along kom mo try.
Kala along hi.
Along.
Ya, tap no do. Tap do.
Okay. I need this. Nah, lang to ni.
Tap lang no mata na marba.
Goes on the black till. And other ingredients ni. Uni fi ai u tong piat ba u som ket. Ni. So here we've had the bamboo shoot being slow cooked in the fire for a while, and that needs to be cooked first. Then you add it, smoked beef, smoked pork. Sorry, and after that the black till, which you've already had. Yeah, go for the half so.
Shibit min ay kamulu do pada. Along ka to ta. Tanam shibit. Atang kamulu.
The johane will not take so much time, nay.
Kanam simple.
So this has been a very educated day for me, and I'm sure it is also for the audience who are tuned into Food Diaries, because we've got to see firsthand how the indigenous Reboy way of cooking food through with using the bamboo shoot, and I think rice is also prepared
Yes,
usually
yes.
the same way, steamed in
steamed.
leaf and kept in a
Yes,
a
yes.
vessel. Ne? But for today, it's these dishes, and we've had really lovely dishes that we've seen earlier. And Tate, we'll have a look, we'll wait. It's a slow cooking process.
Yes.
And not really losing out on the flavor of the dish. So we really don't have places like these in our homes right now. But for some of you who would try and have a fireplace somewhere inside your kitchen or maybe outside your house, I think you can try some of these dishes that you've seen Joe guiding us through the way. But I'm sure it'll be a trial and error method because we're not used to this. It takes a lot of time and patience,
Yes.
right?
True.
It's not a fast way in a fast pace of life where we have something on the gas stove and it gets done in 15-20 minutes or maximum 30 minutes. But this is really something which I think what you've said today, and I will say it again, something for us to know about our tradition, our way of life, and what it involves around the kitchen in using what Mother Earth has bestowed us with, rest, using the bamboo and using all the locally available ingredients with none of the modern spices, but the ethnicity and authenticity of these dishes and the taste that they provide is so flavorsome that I'm really excited to wait and see what we get from these two dishes again. All right, Joe,
Yes.
I think we have been sitting here for quite a while.
Yeah.
Smoke meat Let's now, I'm dying to see how it turns out. Tongin niya say?
Ito, kanya match na kanimo. Ini ka.
Kadi ba, hindi, jajaw ni. Wow. Quick pala ni.
See.
Yeah, they're coming out. Beautiful. So well, now we have both the dishes here, and they look absolutely lip smacking, and the way they've been presented in you've carved the bamboo and made a presentation as a serving dish. So this is the smoked
It's smoked pork with bamboo shoot.
with bamboo shoot, and this is
That's
the
That is jajau. Jajau but dok masithan.
But Masithan, right. So without further ado, I can't wait to see. I'm really sure how they'll taste, but I've not really gotten to the part of having these two dishes made out this way from the bamboo. This will be my very first time. Timantangan taste no kani ma fila crazy tom.
Adik sa pojok vegan ban.
Ang ni ba last app kajing shit kajing app and everything combined together, but I think it is all worth the effort. The aroma itself is splendid. So I kata give me the plate and okay, I'll first start with the bamboo shoot and the smoked pork. Bit of the gravy. So this is what I have here on the plate, you can see. moment of truth. I'm sure I'll know how it tastes. Ni katu jingbai minot. Okay. This is excellent. It's so flavorsome. I mean, I think I can eat this for lunch. I can have this for dinner. Today, tomorrow, day after. I think I can keep on going.
So order binang mo.
Yes. Yes, I'm sure. And so order napi. This is too good. It's a dish where I think most of the dishes that we have, you know, some specialty dishes prepared elsewhere, you can have them for a day or two, you know, and then you get tired. But these are the dishes that, and added to that, because this is the first time mga bam if you shed don't see it, and because of that, you know, it just gives it takes it to another level altogether. This is awesome.
Thank
Joe.
you so much.
This is so good. I'm sure I'm going to order some from you. So wonderful day it has been. I've been really glad that we are here with you at your place here at
Lom Chatri.
This is my first time to the place, and I have been renaming it with all sorts of names. I hope you forgive
Especially
me for
me.
that. And I've been calling Joe as Johan the whole time. His good name is
JOHANAN.
So, but for all the mistakes, he's forgiven me and produced such lovely dishes for Food Diaries.
Thank you so much.
And it's been an amazing experience. Something I've been dying to do, and really fortunate to be here and see firsthand how you prepare these dishes using the bamboo, something very indigenous to our culture. And I wish you all the best in your endeavor, and the very fact that you want to advocate taking this down as a lineage so that our younger generation so that this will not disappear anymore with, you know, our modern lifestyle and a modern way of cooking, right? Although, you know, it simplifies our life, but we should never forget, you know, where we come from and the roots that's been imbibed in us with the way that we cook our food. So Joe, it has been really splendid seeing you cook in the kitchen, slogging away with the fire and the heat and everything.
It's fun,
but it is all worth the effort with something that you've given us. So I'm sure the audience who have tuned in also are have been happy watching all this, because this is something really amazing. I think I have been repeating that often, over and over again. And I will not really have anything more to say, because I have a plate full of all the yumminess of reeb hoi from the tundong of the bamboo. I will finish it off. And the audience who've been tuned with us, I'm sure you've also been happy and excited seeing all this. You may try to do this at home, seeing the simplicity of it, but it will require your time, your effort and your patience, right? All right. So do tune in with us next time at Food Diaries. And Joe, thank you so much for having us. We've had a really wonderful time.
Few words
here.
for me.
Yes, please.
Ngaru astonat by few 1% ne te bio an experience ka ikapa. Ini mo process ni ba pisel fly up shitom mo fly up shitom banga shet banga tiu untuk pada hot ini kan jing up jo piseru ala produce kuni te dembok na kaniru ka kan pelat susu long di tayang aru. Andai kiwe pada ki kena ne gunu ki pada ni kan asam mau kan pelat susu kiru anu yo pada khaj imo tu teluk kan ka tengah aku beli ke tim ju bisa pada khaj ba lawan sitom na sar sini bannya ban ne kedu bat nga bannya le kini ata wishbun
Teka kajing sotmat baru aliang kan yang iru you've gained a lot bagi ka baru kau prepare mo first hand. But kung mafiong kan long ru ka jing I'm in see mi kiwe ne ki kwa ban beteng ko mi kini ki judging shed ne bakan long no kum ka ka bakila ban le as a career ne as a passion ru ne. So which is something wonderful, and I hope that Joe has inspired for those of you who are watching to, if you want to follow up on such things, you know, it's never too difficult. Ne? It just takes a little bit of determination and effort. Ne? And a little bit of love, right? Habdan kajing iit ikay mafile. So with that, we shall wind up at Food Diaries. I will be gorging on the beautiful food
Yes, yes, yes.
The flavoursome
It's all
food
yours
from the
now.
bamboo.
It's all yours.
Yes, thank you for that. And with that, with me, Abha, we shall wind up with Food Diaries until we meet again next time for our next episode. That's bye-bye.